Hey y'all, welcome to day 3 of our 10-day creativity challenge. I'm Kathryn. So today we're going to talk about lyric phrasing. So this is the way in which we deliver the lyrics. And if you're like, wait, I'm not singing, that's okay. This actually applies to playing melodies on your instrument as well. So we're going to talk about kind of the push and pull of the melody, whether you're singing it or playing it. Couple different ways to approach this. So number 1, you could start the phrase sooner or push it back and start it a little bit later. So let's use our Amazing Grace example and try that out. So the melody goes, Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Right? So maybe we're going to start it a little bit later. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Maybe we kind of push it forward a little bit. What does that sound like? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So just little different ways to kind of push and pull the melody, break you out of the traditional way of playing it, whatever song it is, and just trying out some different ways to approach it. Another thing you can do is to take a look at the lyrics. Again, this applies to, if you're just playing the melody, what words or what notes are important to you, right? Everyone does amaze. Like, is maze the most important word in this phrase? Maybe it is. Maybe amazing is the most important word. Maybe it's grace. Maybe it's sweet. Let's try it out. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Maybe there's a pause after that word sweet. And again, this applies to whatever song you're working on, but shake it up. Like, everyone knows this song. How can I really grab your attention? How can I give new meaning to these lyrics? So your assignment in day 3 for lyric phrasing is to take a melody from a song you're working on, whether you're singing it or you're playing it, and work with that push and pull on your entrances. Maybe you're bringing out a different word. Maybe you're adding some pauses in there. So have fun with that. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you in day 4. Bye. Ukulele Wine Time.